Hey, man, you need a ride somewhere? Oh, okay. I saw you had a heavy pack. Sure, you need a lift? I'll take you wherever you want to go. It's free.
I don't know, maybe back to the east side.
Yeah, grab your pack, throw it in, buddy. Yeah. I love the east side, as a matter of fact.
Cool.
What's your name, man?
Ryan.
Ryan, right on.
Right on.
What do you have going on today, Ryan?
Well, everybody's rolling on me and rolling on the family, snitching, bunch of dumb shit.
Oh, that's too bad.
She probably is too, crying, acting like she's crying and rolling on people and snitching.
What, so are we going,
Probably Panera Bread. Yeah, let's go there. That's pretty cool.
All right, wherever you want to go, just point the direction. And I'll be happy to drop you off, Ryan, wherever you need to be. Does that sound fair enough?
Yeah. I've been here 15 years, and I've been noticing some weird shit. And then, it's all starting to make sense now.
What, have you been living on the streets, or what do you got going on?
I had 2 apartments. I was illegally evicted from both, and then the cops didn't jump in. They stole my deposit, and I'm on Social Security.
Oh.
So I was wondering why it's so easy for the businesses to file charges on individuals, yet when we try to file charges on them for harassment, intimidation, all that, they don't take charges.
Well, how were they harassing you?
Oh, simple assault, intimidation.
The landlord was assaulting you?
No. A bunch of people.
Oh.
Intimidation, harassment, security guard at the library. Yeah, he assaulted me.
The security guard at the library did?
Yeah.
Oh, is he a real hard butt?
No, he just laid hands on me, and then he thinks he's going to get away with it. So I spoke to the director, and then the director was like, well, we'll speak to him. And never did. I'm tired of town. Man, like Monday, look, I'll get a ride back out on the bus. I'm out. I ain't got to be here.
Well, where are you going to head? Where are you heading?
I don't know. I'm from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, though.
You're from South Carolina?
Yeah.
Oh, you surf? They surf down there?
I can go straight in, but they surf. It's just the waves in on that ground.
Well, if you were living at the beach, how do you wind up in Bloomington, Indiana, of all places?
Start traveling. And, well, Bloomington was mentioned as a basement band. Back in the day, this was the place to be for music.
Oh.
It was mentioned in Marlboro Magazine, but the city council killed that. Like they kill everything else.
Are you a musician by trade, or?
No. I just, I like to be informed about what's going on, where people are. So I went to Eugene, Oregon, Athens, Georgia.
Oh, REM is from Athens, Georgia. I think.
Yeah.
You remember those guys?
Yeah.
I was never an REM fan.
Not me. Some of it, but like you're right. Me.
I like Van Halen and the Beatles, that kind of thing.
Oh yeah. Van Halen was the shit.
So should we go take a left up here?
Right. I was thinking.
Take a right here.
Right.
Okay.
Wait, you can't take a right on Kirkland anymore. Right?
No, we can take a right up here. This,
you're right.
This kind motorist is going to let us in.
Cool.
And the good news just keeps on getting better here.
Right.
On a blessed Saturday afternoon.
I thought it was Sunday. I was like, damn it.
Well, you're only off by one day.
My bank opens tomorrow, but it's like, all these people I'm giving money to and all this shit, they don't even give me a fucking cigarette. I'm like, man, these losers. And then now they're running because I'm all pissed off, and I'm like, hold on now. So I'm going off, and it's like they're dropping their backpacks. These homeless bums, home bums, what I call them. And
what do you call them?
Home bums. They're home bums. They do nothing for anybody, ruin everything, and nothing. And then these tip them when I'm broke because my costs so much. They don't give me a dime. I'm like, you get fucking food. Like one. And look. And then Bloom runs with Indiana University, is the most welcoming university.
What don't you like about the university?
No, it ain't welcoming at all. I mean, unless if you're Scott's friends, no. Now look, they walk around. I mean, they walk around, act like superior, like the college is superior. Man, that college is a piece of shit. I've seen way better colleges. Vanderbilt, Harvard, Princeton. Then USC's better. I mean, come on. I mean, real. It's like, I've been here 15 years, and then Bloom tries to roll up because I don't leave when warfare happens. I ain't stupid either. I know when it's going on, and I'm leaving. But I took a vacation and came back.
Where'd you go on vacation?
Jeffersonville, Indiana. I had no problems there, none at all. Because hell, they were handing me 20s, and what they say is pay it forward. And I ain't saying it like that, but I mean, like they say here, absolutely. And then they sit around and they'll run this little scam on you. They get you to do the work, then they run a scam like this. Well, this guy, that guy, this. Man, forcible rape and rape are on the increase because these little boys that we got in this town won't stand up and defend their babies and their women and their men. We all get raped, yo. You know what I mean? Nobody's immune from it. No, that's real. That's real. All ages, all sexes, all animals. Well, unless it's a gecko or something big, you ain't gonna rape that. I mean, you touch it, you die. But you know what I mean? I mean, really, I got statistics to prove. I know that. But luckily, I did not spend a lot of money this month. I didn't keep getting drunk.
What you like to drink a little bit?
A little bit, yeah.
Are you a beer drinker or tequila or?
It would depend on who I'm with. Like, I don't really.
Should I go straight here?
Yes.
Okay.
No, wait. Take a left. I forget, but it's a left.
We're trying to go straight, right?
Either way, it'll take you to east. To be honest.
Okay. Yeah, we can't turn here because third is so one way for a little.
Go straight.
Yeah.
Now this guy's interested in the yellow. I've seen him earlier. He's brilliant though. He's an operative though. He is.
An operative?
Yeah.
Well, what do you mean by an operative?
How do you say it? He is studying intelligence in the community, not in the community, but he's in intelligence.
How can you tell? The eyeglasses?
I've seen him before.
Oh.
I know. He knows me, but he'll sit there and he just pat time like, look at people.
What?
Man, he's watching people.
It looked like he was just kind of eating lunch there, but I think that might be what he wants people to think, that he's just eating
like
eating
this guy here with that truck with the decal on it.
Yeah.
Man, he's everywhere.
You think he's an operative too?
No, I mean, I don't know. It's like, I don't know. But yeah, these are operatives, some of them. But it's not paranoid. It's I've been here 15 years. I know who's been around, who hadn't, and I love Bloomington, but I can't afford this. Like two phones are gone.
So you do love Bloomington?
Yeah, I'm so tired. I ain't got ID, can't get a room, and it's like everybody I'm communicating with, I'm like, hell, I'll get, and then I'm like, I'll get us a double room, and then they back out anyway, and then I'm like, I think.
Well, where'd you stay last night?
There's a building in Bloomington, and I stayed under the awning. See, I know a bunch of places you can stay.
Were you sleeping outside when it was like -5 degrees like 2 weeks ago?
No, actually that's when they arrested me for illegal trespassing.
What was that about? Where was this?
At a dentist's office here on the east side that I was not told that I was trespassed from, and they arrested me.
Were you going to the dentist?
No, it was that night. I was just posting out smoking a cigarette.
Oh.
And they didn't have a no trespass sign at all. The owner never ever said you're trespassed. That's not how trespassing law works. It don't matter what time of night it is. Unless they have a no trespass sign, or they've told you specifically no trespass, you can post up anywhere, bro. I know, that it sounds...
So the boys in blue showed up?
Yep.
What, were they well-groomed with muscled physiques?
No, I don't know about that. Anyway, Panera Bread is up here on the right. Yeah.
So what, the boys in blue show up and they tell you to leave?
No, they didn't even tell me to leave.
What, did they just cuffed and stuffed you?
Yeah. Well, they cuffed me and then you keep going past the light.
Okay.
They cuffed me and then the guy stops and he programs it in. He's like, well, you can stop at Scotchmore here. I'm going to go in the ashtray and get a damn cigarette. Right.
Where, Circle K?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I ain't got money for smokes. I need smoke.
Okay, so what, they cuffed you and what they do, bend you over the hood of the Crown Victoria and all that?
Nah. They check the address and the address comes back to the wrong address and then they're like, oh, it don't matter.
So then they haul you off to jail?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. How long were you in the can?
3 weeks.
3 weeks for trespassing? Did you have to wear like the orange jumpsuit and all that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, jeez. And the flip-flops that probably don't fit?
Mm-hmm.
Was the food at least decent this time?
Nope. They're stealing money for the food, too.
You can, the door handle on the outside.
You don't have $5, do you?
No.
Damn.
No, I just got a warm ride and a kind word here for you.
Right on.
But you seem like you're doing well. Make sure you have a place to go when it gets bitter cold. Please don't sleep outside.
You think it'll get bitter cold coming up?
It might.
I should be all right, though. I mean, I ain't been drinking, and I got money coming Monday.
Okay.
I mean, I'm just waiting until Monday.
Hey, I'm rooting for you. So if you see me out on the street, give me a wave. If I can help you out, you need a lift, you need to get going in the right direction,
cool.
I'm here for you, okay?
Cool, baby.
And you know who else is looking out for you? The big boy upstairs. All right, you keep rocking, my friend.
You too.
Be good.
Always.
Adios. Ding, ding. Well, there you go. Our new friend there, he seems a little bit paranoid, perhaps a little bit, probably bitter, but he also has his wits about him. He's still kind of a younger guy, so like I mentioned to him, we're rooting for him, and maybe he'll be heading in the right direction. So if you like these videos, go ahead, hit like, hit subscribe, check out some of the other videos on my channel. We're having a lot of fun, and we're doing some good. We're making some friends, and we will keep on rocking, and I'll see everybody real soon. Ding, ding.